Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Let's take our seats. Mr. Marcos Sefcovic, European Union Commissioner for Trade. I guess this is my first time to meet you. Welcome to Kenya. My friend, Mr. Thomas Ostros, Vice President of the European Investment Bank. It's always a pleasure to have you in our country. Your Excellency, Ambassador of the Delegation of the European Union to Kenya, members of the Diplomatic Corps, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. And welcome to Kenya, those of you who are coming here for the first time and those of you who have traveled from different parts of the world. We say in Kenya, Karibuni Sana. On behalf of the government and people of Kenya, I warmly welcome you all to this landmark event, the second edition of the Kenya European Union Business Forum. And I commend the organizers for their outstanding preparation and dedication in bringing us together. This year's theme, Digitizing Trade, is both timely and forward-looking. It reflects the realities of our modern economy where digital technology is not just an enabler of trade, but its driving force. Through digitization, we unlock innovation, catalyze industrialization, and create seamless access to markets, information, and networks for mutual benefit of Kenya and the European Union. Kenya is open and ready to do business with you. That is why we have actively pursued and secured multiple and multilateral, regional, and bilateral trade agreements, positioning Kenya as a gateway to global markets. We are proud signatories to the Africa Continental Free Trade Area, which gives us access to the $3.7 trillion market of 1.4 billion people in our continent. Through the Kenya-EU Economic Partnership Agreement, we enjoy privileged access to a $19 trillion market of 450 million good people of the European Union. Under the Africa Growth and Opportunities Act, we have entry into the $27 trillion United States market of 330 million people. Our agreement with the United Kingdom links us to a $3.3 trillion market. Our newly signed Kenya-UAE Comprehensive Economic Partnership Agreement connects us to another $503 billion Gulf market. Closer to Kenya, Kenya remains a key partner in the East African community, a $336 billion common market with a population of 300 million people. Each of these agreements connect Kenyan businesses to global opportunities, unlocking markets, attracting investments, and driving shared prosperity. Excellencies, we remain committed to implementing a pro-trade policy regime that not only foster inclusive wealth creation, but also generate much-needed opportunities. Our goal is to build a comprehensive, resilient economy that benefits every Kenyan, while strengthening mutually beneficial partnership with allies like the EU. As we celebrate the digitization of trade, my administration is implementing bold and transformative measures to build a robust digital economy. We're rolling out, for example, an ambitious last-mile fiber connectivity program, aiming to install 100,000 kilometers of fiber optic cable and 25,000 public Wi-Fi hotspots by 2027, ensuring no part of Kenya is left behind in the digital revolution. Through the expanded eCitizen platform, over 20,000 government services have been digitized, making it easier, faster, and cheaper for businesses to engage with government. We have established 284 digital hubs in Tibet institutions